Welcome to Wheelchair Travels with Vineet, and I'm not Vineet. For those who are new here, I am Vineet's mum, and he has graciously requested me to do the review of the Tello drone, which is the first drone we purchased. Watch the video till the end to know why you should or shouldn't buy it. And I shall also give 2 points why it's a better buy than the DJI mini drones, especially in India as of now. I'm sure you all will agree that a travel video is incomplete without some drone shots. I had been in awe of drone videos for a long time now, but they were so expensive for us. So we waited for the right time to purchase a cheap but good one. But even this Ryze Tello Nano drone comes at around rupees 10,500 here in India from Amazon. But then I checked out many review videos on YouTube, and me and Vin decided to go for it. The drone came along with a battery and two spare propellers, and as of today in 2022 costs $99 in the US, while the combo pack, which comes with a drone, three batteries, a charging hub, four extra propellers, a micro USB cable, and a propeller removal tool, is priced at rupees 15,000 in India and $149 in US on Amazon respectively. We learnt the hard way that if the Tello drone fits your budget and needs, please go for the combo pack. It will be cheaper in the long run. We ordered only the drone with one battery and no charging hub came with it. We got the USB cable without an adapter though. Very soon, I realized that even though the flying time for one battery is mentioned as 13 minutes, but while learning to fly, it came down to 10 or 11 minutes, and then we had to wait for another half an hour to charge it fully via the USB cable. Now that was a problem. So I looked up the vendor on Amazon and OMG, cost of one battery was rupees 2999 while the charging hub was unavailable on Amazon. I contacted them directly via phone and they said they had the products on their own website where I could get a cheaper deal. Very warily, I ordered a spare battery and a charging hub and kept saying to myself why I didn't buy the combo pack at the first instance. I wish someone had told me on YouTube, which is why this video. So now, armed with two batteries, a power bank, and the drone, we flew it for the first time. And unfortunately, I can't show the video because I deleted it by mistake. People, the Tello drone has no inbuilt memory nor any place to insert a micro SD card for storing your videos. You have to first save them to your phone memory immediately after flight by tapping on this icon here. And no one can help you if you tap on the delete icon just beside it, even by mistake. In a very strange phenomena, I have discovered that the first video can't be deleted. The one after gets deleted. Is it a common bug with the Tello drone? Please let us know in the comments. My tip, I think it's better to go to the select page and then select and delete or save to your device. Yes, I had messaged the help center via link in the Tello app after my catastrophic action of deleting our maiden flight, to which they responded very promptly with an emphatic no. That video was so beautiful, I'll regret this lifelong. Okay, now another tip from another fellow YouTuber. If If you have an iPhone, please use it to fly the Tello drone with the Tello app. You see, the drone uses a Wi Fi connection with the phone to capture footage. So, a better quality phone ensures better quality videos as the drone camera is 5 MP only, which is dismal to say in the least when there is too much light around, as in bright sunlight, or maybe on the beach where there is a lot of light reflected on sand and water. Which is why our shots of the beach came like this. unless there is some high-tech camera setting in the app which we don't know about. Please let us know in the comments. However, when we shot at another location after returning from the beach, where the scenario was trees and buildings, it was a very decent capture for a 5 MP camera. But as soon as the sun peaked in the afternoon, we got white, glary videos. So that's that. Now let's talk about the frame drops. They were plenty near the beach where there was slight wind all the time, but one or two drops in an 8-minute video at the other location. Negligible, I would say. And you simply cannot fly in windy conditions. No, you may risk losing the drone because it does not have a return to home feature in the app like the DJI mini drones. Okay, one more important tip. If you haven't bought the Tello combo like me, you will have to buy a carry case for it separately because the box that it comes in looks like this. I got a good one at a reasonable price on Amazon. It fitted perfectly, and there's space to keep the spare battery as well. Link is given below. But do keep in mind that this kind of hard case storage cases need to be handled carefully and not hurriedly. Once I had hurriedly put the drone in this case, and when I opened a few days later, one of the propeller guards had bent. Luckily, it didn't affect the flight motion. Henceforth, we are careful. And the last but not least tip, even a strand of hair can make your drone go on a crazy spinning spree. So check the drone before every flight. Yeah, so that's about it from me about the Tello drone as of now. If I find more tips, I will share in pinned comments below this video. Oh yes, coming to my bonus tip. As of today in January 2022, you can fly your Tello drone to a maximum height of 30 meters, but only 15 meters with a DJI mini drone here in India. Yes, this is where the Tello drone scores, and of course, it's a deal at 1/6 the price as well. Hope after watching this video you can make up your mind whether to go for it or not. Please give this video a like if you liked it and be sure to subscribe for more gadget reviews and of course our travel videos. Until our next video, stay home, stay safe and watch our videos.